Hi, I'm Luke Lalonde. I'm the innovator in residence at the Rideau-Rockcliffe Community Resource Center.
I'm Sean Murdoch. I represent the Social Planning Council of Ottawa.
My name is Younis. We're here at the Rideau Hub supporting Khayrhaye Cultural Museum.
I'm absolutely thrilled that we are having this open house today at the Rideau Community Hub.
It's the first time that they put all these groups together into one room.
It's for people to explore and discover what amazing programs, services that are available here at the Hub. And it's also a great way to meet your neighbors.
We want people to volunteer and become engaged in their community. And this is the best way to put everyone together in the same room to make sure that those opportunities aren't missed.
There's 30 plus organizations in the building, and we're always delighted to find out what each other's working on and find new ways to collaborate.
So we're here to support all the units coming together in the Rideau Hub.
So welcome to everyone, and hope to see you again.